If you are wondering if we have AI features on the Xiaomi 17T, then the answer is yes. We do have a couple of different AI features available on this phone. We have a bunch of Xiaomi features and also some of these basic Google AI features that are available on pretty much every smartphone, such as Circle to Search or Gemini. Now, if you want to find out more about these AI tools, you can just simply open Settings, and then in here we have Xiaomi Hyper AI. As you can see, we have the information about Gemini, but also we can find some Xiaomi's AI tools as well, like the dynamic wallpaper over here. Usually you can also go through here to find a little description about these AI tools, how to use them. Sometimes you can also find the Get Started button, so you can immediately jump to a proper app where you can make use of that AI tool. In Creativity Assistant, we can find a bunch of different editing tools that you can use, and of course they are based on AI. We have the AI speech recognition for the Recorder app, and not only, I believe, but mainly for the Recorder app. There is also the Translate Conversation option, so we can interpret face-to-face, and we have automatic language recognition, and so on and so forth. Even some settings in here that you can enable or disable. We have the interpreter in here as well, which is for calls. So during a call you should be able to use the interpreter to automatically translate your calls, which is very convenient, of course, in some cases. And AI subtitles. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.